Oh. Do. I'm drawing something. What are you doing on the phone? Huh? Do. Oh, you're just drawing me. Do. Nah, let me just do this. There, better. The picture looks good how it needs to. Oh, you just did not. Oh. I am super mad at you. Whoa. Whoa. Ow, I have black eye. You were saying? Whoa. Oh. Ow. Oh. No. What is happening to me? Ow. What do we all look wavy? Ow. What is happening to me? Like, seriously, what is happening to me? Why do I look so long like a rectangle? Why do I look like a triangle? My body has been smushed. I look like a rainbow. What is happening to me? I look weird. My head's right there, my eyes are right here, and my legs are... Yeah, my legs and he's right there. My mouth is right here. Ow. What is happening to me? Well, I hope I'm gonna be okay. No, my teeth! What happened to all my teeth? It hurts when I don't have a lot of teeth. Now, I just only got two inside of me. What are you doing on my face? You kicked me all in the face! Ow! Wait, what are you doing? Are you doing this again? Wait, what are you doing? Right in the stomach! Wait, what are you doing with my eye? Doink! Ow! You did it right in the eye. Whoa! I tripped. Ugh. And that's the end.